Hey guys, what's up? So I got a lot of messages the last days, and one very common question was how to make a woman literally think about you all day long. So I think that the first thing you have to do is just ask yourself a question. Why thoughts about you, or how do thoughts about you would naturally come up a woman's mind? And like you probably already know, it is basically not a complete rational thing. It is more something irrational, or to tell it in a more concrete way, it is about her emotional connection, the emotional connection she has with you. So that's the first thing you have to realize. She thinks about you if her subconscious mind sees you as someone she has an emotional connection with. But you have to be aware of the fact that an emotional connection does not mean that you have to talk non-stop about your feelings and about your deepest thoughts and stuff like that, like this. So the first thing you got to do is to make her realize, on a subconscious level of course, that she can't be sure that you're 100% interested in her or not. I mean, if you want her to think about you, she pretty much has to have thoughts like, oh, does he really likes me, etc. Thoughts like this. If she, instead of this, thinks she has you for sure, or she definitely knows that you're interested in this, ask yourself the question, what the hell she should speculate about all day. I mean, if she sees you as someone who really wants her, she can't ask herself questions like, oh, does he really likes me, why he's not answering my texts, etc. It is the best mix between being interested in you and not being sure for 100% if you're also interested in her. So she has to be interested in you, but not being sure you are also for 100%. Yes, you can show her every now and then that you like her, but the key is to not be 100% predictable. If you're 100% predictable, she has nothing to think about all day. So, for example, do not wish her a good morning every day. Sometimes skip some days and let her make the first move. So remember, she has always have to have something to speculate about. Like, for example, she has to think stuff like, oh, he doesn't send me a good morning message, but yesterday he did. Why he's not sending me this message today? Is he sending this message to another chick? What is happening here? Oh my gosh, I freak out, I don't get this guy. Stuff like this. She has to think stuff like this. These thoughts you want her to have. If you're, instead of this, just sending her good morning messages every day, then, my friend, guess what? Her thoughts would be more like, wow, this complete predictable guy is sending me this message every day. He's probably needy and afraid of losing me. Wow, I got literally zero interest in chasing him, and he can better not answering my text again. I'm not interested. Yeah, and the next thing, which is really important, is to show her sometimes that you're busy. So women actually love to be not the most important thing in your life. If she sees that you're the most, that she's the most important thing in your life, she'll actually see you as a needy person. So show her you also got other things going, and not texting her back after 3 seconds after she sends you a message. But don't overdo this stuff. I mean, if you're not answering her all day and she's, for example, a beautiful woman, she will not answer you again, and yeah, nothing happens. I hope you get the point. So I hope you like this short video. If you like it, I would be very happy if you give me a thumb up. And if you like to see the whole picture about this topic, just feel free to click the link in the description so I can send you via email a free ebook about this topic, which is really powerful and will help you to master your skills about this topic. See you in the next video. Bye.